Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Janmashtami Mahotsava ki jai. I am really excited to be part of this 5251st Janmashtami celebrations, which is celebrated all over the universe. This is the costless mercy of Srila Prabhupada, that he has created this wonderful organization called ISKCON, that millions of people come and participate in the 5251st Janmashtami Mahotsav. I am excited to be part of this and offer services on this auspicious day. And everybody, different culture, different religion, all of them understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the Lord Shri Krishna, and we need to render devotional service unto Him. So, going by the culture, I am wishing all of you a happy Janmashtami. May the Lord bless all of you so that all the obstacles in our devotional services eradicated by His costless mercy and blessings, so that we can blissfully be situated in Krishna consciousness. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜನ್ಮಾಷ್ಟಮಿ 5251ನೇ ವರ್ಷ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜನ್ಮಾಷ್ಟಮಿಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಬನ್ನಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಜನ್ಮಾಷ್ಟಮಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡಾಡಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾತ್ರರಾಗೋಣ. ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ.